grind mill machine. This machine is used to convert rice husk into biofuel. This is an example of the briquette from the rice husk. We use 100% rice husk, and therefore no other things like binders, and the energy produced is carbon neutral. Yes.
Oh, can I touch?
Yes, please feel free.
It's heavy.
Yes.
Quite heavy.
This is about 1 kilogram.
Wow.
Yes, and the machine production capacity is about 120 kilograms per hour.
How much quantity of rice residue do you have to add in order to produce?
Okay, so the ratio is more of 1:1 because it's 100% rice husk, and therefore all what goes in comes out. Only the part which that comes out as other substance is only the moisture which was contained in the rice husk. So our machines are being operational in countries like Nigeria, Senegal, Tanzania, Ghana, and Madagascar. And the main problem we are solving is the fact that there are many developing countries where they cut down trees as source of energy, and which is causing a very big deforestation problem. And on the other hand, some countries do produce a lot of rice. Now our countries provide a solution by converting the rice husk into a product like the briquettes. That was the first pillar of our business. Now for the second pillar of our business, let me explain from the other side.
Yeah.
So this is biochar application in farmland.
Yes.
Biochar is a solid material produced by carbonizing a biomass at a temperature above 350 degrees to 800 degrees Celsius. Now, when you look at this range, it's quite big, from 350, and therefore biochar carbonized at different temperatures for different durations from different raw materials have got different characteristics. In the last few years, we have been experimenting the biochar application in farmland, and now we have accumulated the data on the best use of biochar in farmland. This is an experimental result. This is where biochar was not applied. This is where biochar was applied. What do you think?
I mean, this looks bigger. I don't know. But then this is straight and like looks like it.
Okay.
You're growing tissue, right?
Yes, that is the difference. Many people only look that it's greener,
look at the
and
quantity
so
and then the hugeness, the way it's like this, but then
this one is already at the
wow.
That's the main difference. So we use different raw materials, as you can see. This is tree bark. We have almond, rice husk, peanut cells, so many crop residues that we add value to produce the biochar. So the main aim for the biochar is to reduce the cost of using chemical fertilizer, as well as increasing the crop yield. And by using biochar, we achieve the reduction in the release of greenhouse gas emission into the atmosphere. And as a company, we have got the facility to do the analysis of the greenhouse gases. Now, when we have biomass in the soil, it is broken down by microorganisms and releases carbon dioxide. But by using biochar, microorganisms find it difficult to break it, and hence carbon dioxide is not released. Now that one can apply for carbon credits, and that's also another side of our business.
Oh wow.
Yes.
That's really impressive. But I have a question.
Oxygen. The oxygen has to be controlled.
I see.
And therefore the machine for biochar is in the picture there, although we didn't bring it here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's look at it.
Yes. So you can have.
I see. But you know how much energy you have to put in order to produce the fertilizer. If you combine all of that, isn't it going to be expensive?
No, it's not going to be expensive. No. This machine is still being improved, and therefore the cost-related things are not here, but the energy used here is far less compared to this one actually. Although the size of the machine is bigger, yes. Because here it's mostly just for the conveyance of the materials. However, for this one, it's like grinding. so it requires more energy.
More energy.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the pictures of the farmland application.
So this only so far you've applied this in Japan, right?
No, we have the experiments being done in Vietnam as well,
Oh.
in different places in Japan,
Mm.
Akita, Totori, also some parts in Kyushu as well. So like in a season, we might have a plot of 4 meters by 4 meters and 50 different of them, set different conditions, and then get to see the result.
Wow. A farmer in what, Rwanda, and I want to get this machine, how much would it cost? Yeah.
I'm not going to give you the specific price now, but in case there's someone who needs it, we can give a quotation for the person. Of course, the combined price, let me say, including the shipment, varies because the shipment spots varies from country to country.
Yeah.
Yes. Unfortunately, sorry, I won't be able to give all the details at the moment.
No problem.